Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by drawing a horizontal rectangle 3 times longer than its height to set the car's overall proportions. Divide this rectangle into quarters and mark a wheelbase that is about 60% of the rectangle length. Place wheels near the front and rear quarter lines. Measure wheel diameter as 20 inches relative to your rectangle and use that to set ground clearance of about 4 inches. Lightly sketch the roofline low and angular and indicate the cabin offset rearward to capture the Aventador's mid-engine silhouette. With proportions set, block in the main body shapes using sharp, angular panels and a wedge nose to create the Aventador's aggressive look. Define the hood crease lines and draw headlights shaped like narrow hexagons near the outer corners. Place a front splitter low to the ground. Carve pronounced side skirts and add large side air intakes behind the doors for the mid-engine cooling. At the rear, sketch an angular bumper and an integrated diffuser with vertical fins to suggest high downforce aerodynamic function. Focus next on wheels and finishing. Draw 20-inch wheels with 5 double-spoke rims and visible brake calipers behind them. Place tires slightly tucked under the fenders. Add wheel arches with crisp edges and indicate suspension stance about 4 inches above the ground. Use cross-contour shading to model surfaces, darker under the sills and inside intakes, and add sharp highlights on roof edges and panel creases to suggest glossy paint. Finally, refine contour lines, erase construction guides, and add clear reflections on the body to complete the drawing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.